in today's video we will be talking about this gorgeous car right in front of us. 3, 2, 1, watch this. Wow, the sound is quite loud. Nice! Ay, 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 ay. For €1,000,000 you can literally buy 3 Brabus G-classes. That's crazy. Hello guys, I am back today, welcoming you all with this. Today is a great day because we are here at Brabus in Germany, in Bottrop, and in today's video we will be talking about this gorgeous car right in front of us. So here we have it, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Brabus Rocket GTS based on the Mercedes-AMG SL63 E Performance. This car comes with 1,000 horsepower and is completely made in Bottrop. This is actually based on a Mercedes-AMG SL, which is a cabriolet. Oh yes, and what Brabus has done is they've given us a shooting brake version, which the name is actually all about. It's a Gran Turismo shooting brake, and that's why it's called the GTS. And so we will be talking about this car in full detail today. I mean, I've actually showed you the first car. It was finished in full black exposed carbon fiber. This one, however, is finished in deep blue, and this looks so cool. As you have a closer look, you can actually see the carbon fiber fibers here finished in full blue. Really cool. From a distance it actually looks like a blue car, but as soon as you step a bit closer you can instantly notice the carbon fiber pattern. It's so cool, even on the roof here, which is really interesting. You have a fade effect. Look at this. This is full carbon fiber, then it's painted again. See? We are right inside the Brabus facilities right now in Bottrop, and I get really excited as soon as I see some of the cars here. But we will be talking about this car here. Let me just show you one thing in detail, is the engine. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, watch this. Wow, this is a 4.5 liter Brabus engine, which is actually based on the 4 liter V8 bi-turbo AMG engine. So what they have actually done is they have given us more displacement. So instead of a 4 liter, we have a 4.5 liter here, which produces, in addition to the 204 horsepower electric drivetrain, 1,000 horsepower beast in combination with the 4.5 liter V8. This is crazy. Even this one here is the cover is finished in red carbon fiber, and I love it. This looks so cool. But we will be mentioning carbon fiber all around the video, since this whole car is finished in carbon fiber and built in Bottrop. Quite interesting. Engine cover carbon fiber by Brabus. Then the bonnet's all finished in carbon fiber. Lightweight material, is way lighter than a regular SL. And then, as you can already see, the whole body is finished in carbon fibers, blue carbon fiber. This is so nice. I actually love what Brabus has done here. They've given us a shooting brake version of an SL. Why would you even do that? So the SL is a soft top. There's no hard top option, or not even a roof option, a regular roof option with the SL. So what they have done here is they've removed everything in the back. They have given us a roof. See that? Full carbon fiber roof, and then they decided to give us a shooting brake version of the SL, which looks really interesting. Just look at the proportions, just look at the way they finished the design, and the body is really cool. It's quite impressive. It's all made in Germany. As soon as you have a closer look on the car, you can already notice the craftsmanship and the attention to detail they have actually finished the car with, because everything is done, made and manufactured by Brabus. Just look at the grille, for example. We have this additional grille intake, which is finished in carbon fiber. The front bumper has been completely changed, also finished in carbon fiber, obviously to match the overall look. Blue carbon fiber here. The deep blue is a very traditional Mercedes-Benz color, and it looks absolutely fantastic. We have a lot of Kevlar details all around the higher housing here. This is a signature by Jörn Gander. He loves to do that with his rocket cars. We already had that with the Rocket GT 4-door. I think the Rocket G even had that, I'm not sure, but he loves to put that. We have the iconic Rocket wheels here, is a 5-spoke These are the Platinum Edition monoblock P. It's 21 inches here in the front and I think 22 in the back. Let's see, yeah, we have 22 inches here in the back. It's quite cool. A lot of carbon fiber details also on the wheel. And you have the option to paint these here even in exterior color. So if you want blue details on your wheels, Brabus will give that to you. So this is the silhouette and this is the design highlight for me personally. I really enjoy looking at the car and the way they actually shaped it is perfect. It's really cool looking. This actually looks like it's coming from Mercedes-Benz factory and the way they did it is perfection. What they have actually done is they have even put in their own windows. It's all made by Brabus. So to fit the whole car and the whole concept, all they had to do is put in a roof, build a new rear and also give us new glasses because the old ones wouldn't match with the new body and this new styling. It's really cool. For instance, now you have way more space opening up the back and here you have limited space since we have an E Performance model here. That's why it's so boxy looking, but anyways you can easily fit at least 2 carry-on luggages in here, most probably. Additionally, you have a lot of leather features in the back of the car. As you can see, the Brabus Masterpiece specifications. You can actually scan it. With an NFC, you will get the authentic Masterpiece verification here. It's quite interesting. They do this to show the owner that it's a real Brabus Masterpiece built in Bottrop. And here you can also have an additional bag finished in leather. This is for your charging cables since we are talking about the hybrid model here. It's an E Performance which gives us 1000 horsepower, right? And since we have an E Performance model here, you have to charge the car. There you go. The AC charger all the way in the back. But since we have an E Performance battery in here, it's not all about having electric range, it's more about having electric performance. So this is a hybrid performance car and it's not about driving electric here at this point. Let me just close the rear again, just look. There you go. Now let's talk about the inside. Swipe it open for you, entrance to the Brabus world of interiors. Extremely nice looking Masterpiece interior finish. We have a gray color tone here, which I really love about Brabus. Since then it actually highlights all the details all around the interior. If you go with all black, the black color will literally eat all the details since it's not that visible anymore. But with the gray one now you can actually have a very nice and detailed look all around the craftsmanship and the attention to detail that Brabus has done here. All the finish is real finished leather and all these parts have been removed and have been completely repainted, and that's quite interesting the way they actually do it. Even these small little buttons here, even the door handle, see, they remove them and then repaint them here in this blue finish to match with the exterior. I kind of like it. How do you guys like the interior finish? It's all up to you. If you order this car, you can go with any color you want, but the finish with this one here looks really nice. Brabus entrance board. This is the only black carbon fiber finish. You also have this all around the interior, but outside we have blue carbon, inside we have black carbon. Really cool the way they did it. Is so nice. Even the door, did you know that even the door was done by Brabus? You can see it's a full carbon fiber. This window is actually not going down. There's no way you can put it down. That's why you only have 2 buttons here. With the original one you actually have 4 buttons since we have 4 windows. Let's jump inside and let me show you more. So we are right inside the Rocket GTS. Rocket GTS badge also right over here. Looks really cool. The Masterpiece interior finish, the whole leather finish. Overall details all around the car is really cool. Even on the Burmester speakers, on the steering wheel here we have the Brabus Double B on the steering wheel instead of the Mercedes-Benz Star. What do you actually prefer? Do you prefer the Mercedes-Benz Star or the Brabus Double B? I would definitely go with the Mercedes-Benz Star. I find this a bit too big. Or what do you think? Additionally, we have this display inside. We have the carbon fiber details all around. We have the seats here. The inside's all finished in gray. We have Alcantara, we have leather, we have perforation all around. The sports seats in here. And additionally, we have even 2 more seats in the back. For children, I guess. I would never fit in there. Everything here is finished in carbon fiber. 2 cup holders. I don't even think that you care. You care about this view here. Let me just close the door for you. Right inside, the car is already drivable. Look, as soon as I put it in drive, we can already move on forward. See, it's moving. But when we switch the car in sport, listen. Ooh, the engine is on. Sport Plus. Oh, we have an exhaust button here, which they actually replaces the sound button. The sound is quite loud. Nice. Ay, 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 ay. That's how we move it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Very smooth, very nice. Steering is on top, it's on fleek, flat bottom. The carbon fiber look, the leather finish is really nice. So that's about it. The Rocket GTS, full finished in deep blue. Yeah, that's how the car looks like. I am a huge fan of the car in general. I love it, and I think Brabus has done an amazing job. The only thing is the price. Did you know that this car goes for up to €1,000,000 with taxes in Germany? That's quite a lot, and that's the only thing that actually gets sales struggling, if I'm not mistaken. I think there's a few sold, but this will not be the thing that everyone wants since it's extremely German. It's a shooting brake. I mean, the shooting brake is quite popular in Germany, yeah, in Europe, this is really popular, but all around the world, people don't actually like it. Yeah, we Germans, we love our practicality, and with this high performance practical Brabus, I think, I actually think it's a great car. What do you guys think? Would you actually buy this car for €1,000,000? Do you think it's worth it? I think the amount of time, engineering and craftsmanship, just attention to detail they've added to this car is quite a lot, and I like it. But for €1,000,000, you can literally buy 3 Brabus G classes. That's crazy.